to everyone what is Gendercide Project?
It's a fantastic online database bringing together all sorts of different publications about gender in the built environment. Books, articles, policy reports, PhD theses and so on, a whole range of different material, and as well as that case studies on particular issues that are very relevant and very important about gender in the built environment.
Gendercide is a vital resource. What I think is I'm very glad it's there. It needed to be there and I'm very glad it's been put together.
Well, it was a joint project between Women's Design Service and Queen Mary, and we put in the bid together to Urban Buzz. So Women's Design Service was the lead agency.
I think it's an absolutely brilliant resource for all sorts of different professionals and to actually access. Very impressive.
It was set up because there was an existing resource that we discovered needed updating, and we realised there wasn't anything like a website that anyone could use, and so we thought we'd get it all together in one place.
This event is showcasing all sorts of work about women in architecture, about gender in the built environment more generally. All sorts of different organisations have got stands here, films that are on about different issues to do with that, and there was a tour of Mile End Park as well, and it's really fantastic to have it here at Queen Mary. Queen Mary has a very long tradition of women in the college, so it's great to be at Queen Mary.
I think the interesting thing is that we all face barriers in different ways. Sometimes we don't recognise them, sometimes we just accept them, and we don't talk enough about it, we don't talk about our space. There isn't any democracy in architecture. And when people get together and start exploring how they feel about space, change happens.
I suppose I hope that once it's out there, students in particular will use it, and that will help to ensure that the next generation of built environment professionals will be better informed about all these issues than perhaps the current generation.